In this training, we're going to be walking through how to use Voyant's potential estate tax insight. This insight is great for high net worth plans where you are trying to demonstrate the value of a strategy that you're using in order to reduce your client's potential estate tax outcome. I'm going to navigate now to our Insights tab, and you can see here we've got a base plan that we're working off of, and we also have a few different what if plans that we've built out for our clients with different strategy proposals. And I'm going to be comparing our client's base plan against a plan where we have some charitable giving goals in it. So I'm going to go now to our Insights tab, and I'm going to search for our estate tax insight and pull that up. And I'm going to use a comparison plan, and you can just use this drop down to select the one that you want to compare against. We're going to do the one with the charitable giving goals, and I'm just going to click Get Started. We're going to let the software run the comparison, and we're going to compare the results side by side. Once the software has finished running the simulation, you'll see your base plan up here at the top and your comparison plan down here at the bottom. And you can hover over the two charts side by side to see the difference between the two. I also like to use this option here called estate tax comparison just to make it a little bit easier to see the side by side comparison. And you can look at the estate tax in any year of the plan to see the difference. As we get closer to the end of the plan, you can see the difference between the estate tax outcomes, and you can see that in year 2058, in our base plan, the estate tax would be 17.6 million versus our plan down at the bottom where we have 10.2. And then if we go all the way to the end of the plan, you can see an 18.6 million versus a 7.7 in the final year of the plan. And this would be how you can do a side-by-side comparison of estate tax outcomes using two different plans. And you can see how that would look in any given year of the plan. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions or you'd like any assistance running a comparison, feel free to reach out to us by clicking the name of your client in the top right, requesting support, entering your question into the text box, and sharing client access. Thanks for listening.